Hello, so how are you all? So today we are going to start the part 2 of this chapter measurement of class 6. Today we are going to study about the measurement of the length. Okay, so how we'll measure? Day to day we use various types of measuring devices. So first of you all, next in front of you the slide about the scale. So scale is used by whom? Obviously by the students. Scale is used for any work we have to measure any length, so scales are used. So next is the inch tape. Inch tape is used by the cloth merchant, okay, isn't it? There's a tailor. The tailor, when it measuring to make any dress, so he will use the measuring tape or the inch tape. Next, the meter rod. The meter rod is used by the cloth merchant. He will measure it and will give you how much meter cloth we needed. Okay. So next is the wooden meter scale. So wooden meter scale is used in the science laboratory of the school. Okay. So these all are what? These all are some type of the measuring devices we use day to day. Now, when we have to talk about how to measure it correctly, how we have to measure it, how we have to use a proper use of these instruments. So next, the first point is that the scale should be placed very close and along its length. So now you see the next diagram in front of you. See A and B. In A, the hand is kept where in the correct position the scale is kept to measure the length of that box. But in B, it is kept in wrongly position. It is kept from 1 point or from 2 centimeter onwards, isn't it? So you all can see, so which is the correct position? Obviously, the figure A is the correct position. You have to keep it straight and you have to keep it very close to the length, along the length. So second point is how to put the next is the about the pencil is given to you. The next point is correct position of the eye is also important for making the accurate measurement. Now see the diagram. Here eye we can't keep from the left side or from the right side. From the above we have to see what is the measurement of that thing. Okay, which one we need. From the right side you can see 4.7 centimeters shown. Okay. Then from the above we can see 4.8, and again from the left it's shown 4.9. So obviously it is not going to happen in that way. We have to keep our eye in the exact position and in the up from the measurement, and then we have to give the readings. Okay. So next we'll go to a third point. The third point is, if some scales we may not see the zero mark because of the prolonged use, then we should avoid taking measurement from zero and instead start from some other full mark. So now see, sometimes what happened, the scales were broken, isn't it? So what happened, now see this diagram, scales is broken, only from 2 centimeter the scale is there. So here we have to measure the you don't have a new scale, and now you have to measure the length of this pencil. Now what you will do, it came till what position? It came till 17, isn't it? So here from 2 you have taken to 17. Now what we have to do? To correct length we have to take, means we have to minus it from the reading of one end to the other end. Okay. So one end is 17 and other is 2. So 17 minus 2 will get 15. So the exact length of this pencil is 15 centimeter. Okay. So this is some types of the how we have to use the proper use of the instruments. Next we'll come to the multiples and sub-multiples of the meter. So what is the value? You can see here it is given. Okay. 10 to the power 3 meter is a kilometer, 10 to the power 6 is a megameter, 10 to the power 9 is gigameter, 10 to the power 12 is tetrameter, 10 to the power 15 is petameter. Okay. And 10 to the power minus 1 means 0.1 is a decimeter, 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter, 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter, 10 to the power minus 6 micrometer, and 10 to the power minus 9 nanometer. So these are some multiples and sub-multiples of the meter. Now when we have to measure very small length, means like micrometer, nanometer, so what we have to do? See here, 1 meter, 10 to the power what? 0 means 10 meter it is shown. Very micrometer we have to measure it. So like the measurement of viruses, insects, virus, okay, my bacteria, we use micron and angstrom. Okay, so here 1 millimeter 10 to the minus 3 meter. Even the blood cell also we can measure it. Okay, 1 micrometer 10 to the minus 6, 1 nanometer 10 to the minus 9, 1 picometer 10 to the minus 12. Okay, so till here it is given in your book, so you all can study this chart. Next we will go some very big distance, how to measure the heavenly bodies. So there is the astronomical unit. Okay, astronomical unit is what? 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. And 1 light year is how much? 1 light year means what is the length, what is the measurement of 1 light year? That is equal to 9.465 into 10 to the power 15 meter. And 1 parsec is how much light year? 1 parsec is 3.08 into 10 to the minus 10 to the power 16 meter, or 1 parsec is 3.26 light year. Okay, so this is the measurement of very big distances of the heavenly bodies. Now we will come to the measuring of a length of a curved line. Suppose you have one curved line. Now see the next slide. You have a curved line. Okay, you have to measure it. What you will do? You just put one thread from that curved line to the other. Slowly you just measure one thread, soft cotton thread, you take it, you measure it, and then that thread you keep in above the scale from 0. From 0 when you will keep it, you see here it is shown till 7, means that curved line length is 7 centimeter. Okay. So these are some types of how to measure the curved surface. Now we will measure the diameter of the spherical bodies. How to measure the diameter of spherical bodies? Now first we have to take what you have to take one pair of blocks, 2 blocks, 1 pair of blocks you have to take. Then you have to place the ball inside it. Okay. That ball is read from how much? You can see from there 1 to 5. Means if you have put from here 0, then it will be 4, means 5 minus 1 is 4 centimeter. Okay, means the diameter of this spherical ball is 4 centimeter. So we can measure by putting 2 blocks inside of the ball. Then if thickness of the coin, we have to see, coins, when coins fall from your father's pockets or from mother's purse, what we do? We go and run and take the coin, isn't it? So now just you have 10 5 rupees coins. Okay, now you have to measure the thickness. What you will do? You just put all the 5 rupees coins together in a stack. Then what you will do? How much is there? 10. You take always 10 similar coins, you take it. How much the measurement you took? How much here? Almost 2.6 I think so, isn't it? 2.6 or 2.7 is the. Then what you will do? You have to divide that centimeter divided by 10, because 10 coins you took. So you divide it by 10, then you will find the actual measurement of thickness of 1 coin. Okay. So next we will measure of the small length. Very small length when we have to measure, then what we will do? Okay, like 1 coin only. Here we have taken the example of 10 coins together. But if a simple 1 coin you have to measure it, what you will do? Then we use the vernier caliper. This is the vernier caliper, where is the actual means measurement is captured. That is the measuring of the main scale and vernier scale. 2 scales are there, so there is the actual measurement will be captured here inside the main scale. You see the one difference is there, so you will put the object there. You have to see what is the measurement of that coin or any other thing. So this is nothing a screw gauge. It is said screw gauge. Can you see the here stud inside both and you can see one stud, no, and main scale is there. If an arrangement we have to roll it, and a circular scale is also there. So inside the stud till millimeter we can do from 0 to 25 millimeter we can see the measurement of very smaller objects. Okay, so this is a class. This class will be continued by next. We will go through the part 3 of this chapter on the upcoming video. Thank you.